matter? Honey, you can't use a bathroom with Daddy? Oh, what's the matter? Oh.
Is that your big boy voice?
Ow! Oh, you sound like you're hurting. Oh, are you gonna be okay? What's the matter? Storm?
Nothing, no one's hurting you. No one is hurting you.
Ow! Oh, honey, what do you want for Christmas?
A bat.
Oh,
Come on.
sweetie.
Gotta get your undercarriage.
It's okay. You're not dying. Oh, see, you didn't die. You didn't die. Yeah. You still love your daddy?
Are we friends again?
You still love your daddy?
At all? Drama queen.